Good morning everyone. My name is Ashok. I handle the renewables market of the Godrej & Boyce family. I am the business development in charge for the off-grid market. By designation I am an AGM. And to give a short brief about the Godrej Renewables, Godrej & Boyce family has 14 sub-verticals in it, out of which electrical and electronics is one of it. And Godrej Renewables is indeed the new feather in the cap. It comes under the total umbrella of the power infrastructure and renewable energy. We shortly term it as PIRE or PIRE. So to give an idea about what our team is, since when we are in existence, what are the domains of our operation, I'll go point by point. Okay, to first talk about our existence. We started our operations sometimes in July of 2012 when we young guys joined together and then formed a team for the EPC segment of the market. Our specific focus was for the renewable EPC, especially in the solar market. Then we saw to it that off-grid is one of the major attraction in this whole solar space. Therein we became the channel partner with MNRE. Now we are an empaneled eligible channel partner with an SP 1A rating. So on-grid is one segment and off-grid is the other segment which we cater into. And when you talk about off-grid, as in today's potential, you see there is a great lot of potential for off-grid market. So every single house or every commercial complex you go and see, you always see there is a power deficit scenario. So how do we combat it? Every day we live in with that tight situation, but we never ever come across some strategic calls to combat that situation. So there exactly comes in the renewables, Godrej Renewables with an edge. So we just don't sell you an EPC. We offer you a brand dependability, we offer you a product with reliability, customer centricity, and more importantly the after sales service, which is the key essence of the solar segment. Because as you all know, the very lifetime of a solar plant is a 25 years lifetime. So it is just not a matter of buying a system, putting it in the roof or on the ground and then forgetting it. You will have to have 25 years of dedicated service support only when this could all be a success. So that success mantra is well known to Godrej Boyce team. Godrej's very principle is touching the human lives in one way or the other, and that is indeed the trademark success mantra what we believe is also. Because if you see here, transforming energy landscape and brightening lives is what we actually try to do as part of a renewable team. So the common man is our point of focus. We touch the common man's life. Let it be a power pack scheme, let it be a rural electrification, or let it be a kilowatt scheme with an EMI option, which is indeed a new concept, a new novel idea. So that the common man, just like affording for a refrigerator or a washing machine, can easily afford even a solar system. That is what our core focus is. So we always know that charity begins at home. So with that basic intent, what we have now developed is, we are coming up with the first ever biggest project in the Godrej's campus, which is a 250 kilowatt rooftop solar off-grid system in Chennai. We are coming up with this. The ribbon cutting ceremony for this will happen somewhere close to the mid of October the same year, and we always try to put in greenness and oneness much before even the profitability or the productivity of the company. So if you don't have greenness in what you do, then you are actually not adding value to anything in what you do. This is what our CMD of the firm, Mr. Jamshed Godrej, always keeps repeating in every forums he goes. This basic thing is inculcated in all our life, which we try to bring it in our way of work. And talking about another biggest landmark feat, what we are actually coming up with is an 85 kilowatt rooftop project, which is a project under the LEED certification. It's a platinum rated, one of the very prestigious project coming up in the Godrej's campus in the Vikhroli. So anybody who would want to experience how a green building looks like, how a solar can add value to a green building are most welcome to come and experience it by themselves. So see it to believe it.